Hi guys, my name is David and today I'm going to be making oatmeal cookies 0 points. The main ingredients are 6 ounces or 150 grams of oats, 2 whole eggs, 1 scoop of protein powder of choice. I'm using peanut butter and a sweetener of choice. I'm using xylothol. Okay, let's start by mixing the oats with the peanut butter. Just give it a stir to combine everything. All right. And then I mix the sweetener with the eggs. And just whisk everything together until combined. We just mix the eggs with the oat peanut butter protein mixture and we combine everything. Just stir it around. It should be very thick. If you see that it's too thick, just use your washed hands and combine. And don't make a mess like I'm doing here. So as you can see, the dough is kind of sticky, and that's how we need it. So the protein powder itself is not a 0 point food. Mine has 2 points in total, but because we're going to be making like 6 to 10 cookies, obviously you don't count 2 points for one cookie. So it should be around 0 points. I mean, if you want to, you can count 1 point for each cookie, just for you don't overeat them. And yeah, you're good to go. So now we are going to put them in the oven, 350 degrees. Should be in the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. I will see and update the time. So I just formed the cookies, and as you can see, I got 9 cookies. We're going to pop them in the oven now for, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, this is the end product. As you can see, I sprinkled a little bit of xylitol on top. And yeah, it took me 11 minutes to bake them. They're really firm and crunchy and crispy. So if you like this recipe, I would be more than happy if you would follow my channel, if you would subscribe and to like this video. Thank you and see you later.